Hey guys, Jamie Nicholls here. I just wanted to show you a little trade that I've got into. This is on the Great Britain and New Zealand pairing. Currently up over 100 pips. Now we got this from our harmonic scanner tools, and that got me in roughly just by here. The harmonic scanner picked up this buy signal, but if you use now a BBM Elite software, that actually initiated the trade for me as well. And using our exit software, it's now being managed, the trade's being managed for me now. So the stop loss has already been moved into profit. So this is a guaranteed profit win-win trade. And that will continue to trail up as we gain more profit. So this is just a simple, easy way of trading. The work is essentially being done for you, and the trade is now being managed for me as well. So we're hitting around 100 pips now. So if this is something that you'll be interested in, you want to learn how to trade, make more money, then get back to me.